Hi all, welcome to my channel. So let's look into the tomorrow's stocks. First one is EI Hotel. EI Hotel is in uptrend. It has taken a reversal from 200 EMA and now it is in uptrend. After this swing high green candle, now it is consolidating within this range only. So today it touched first time 20 EMA and has given a green hammer, and the volume is also is in increasing trend. But the entry point will be for tomorrow trade is this one, 140 to 55. Okay, if tomorrow gap up will be there or above this level, then a reversal at this point or a reversal at the PDH, that is today's candle high, you watch out and take entry. Okay, that is 15 minutes candle. Or if tomorrow opens below this level and consolidates for some time, and if it indicates to give a breakout candle of 5 minutes, first 5 minutes as priority, or 15 minutes you can take. If it consolidates below this level, then it will give a good breakout. Watch out for this stock. Its ADR is 6.7, so 142 plus 148. So next profit you can grab up to. Next one is JSL. JSL is in uptrend. Today it has crossed down 20 EMA and also it's nearly touched the 50 EMA. So as you can see, a last swing low was this one. If you see the price action at this level, that's around this level. Here for some time it consolidated and after that it went up. It is at a 20 EMA. So always remember, if any consolidation is there, it's also called as base, then at a base level, then it is very important level, either in uptrend or downtrend. As it is formed a base, so reversal at this base, so it will be strong. So tomorrow's level will be today's candle high. Okay, so 169.35 and its ADR is 8.4. It can go up to 175. Plan your trade accordingly. Next is BEL. BEL is also in uptrend. After in the month of August, it has started rally. Since September 14, it is consolidating at this level only. And today, it has crossed all these levels, as you can see here, crossed and tried to go down, but has made a weak red candle, hammer kind, and that too first time it touched the 50 MA. So tomorrow there can be a reversal. Okay, but the level to watch out is this one, 207.20. Our entry will be after crossing this level only. Remember that. Okay, volume is also moderately high today. As you can see with this candle, the volume has increased. That means as this week indicates, it's a buyer's push. So in this volume, buyers are more. So tomorrow is a high probability that it will give a green candle. But our entry will be crossing that 207.20. Next one is JK Paper. JK Paper I am giving for sell trade. JK Paper overall it is an uptrend, but since July it is consolidating in this area. This one. Okay. All price action is happening within this area only. On 28th, it has made a big green candle. So there are buyers from this level. Okay, it went up, came down. Once it touched and bounced back. Second time it touched and bounced back. Third time today it touched, and as the level has been touched many times, so the meaning is that level got weakened. So tomorrow is a high probability that it will break this level of 220.30 and it can fall. Okay, then it can fall up to this swing low, that is 207. As its ADR is 8.9, 220, so it can go up to 210. Okay, so there is a high probability. If it consolidates, if open is above this level and it is consolidating for some time and breakout, then that breakout will be a good breakout and that will sustain. Okay, it can't make a false breakout. So keep in mind and plan your trade accordingly. Next one is oil. Yes, oil overall is in uptrend. It has made a swing high at this level. Okay, now it is retracing to 20 and 50 EMA. At yesterday it touched the 50 EMA, and today it has taken out all the red of yesterday's candle and closed above the high of yesterday's candle. Okay, volume is also good, so there is a probability of reversal at 50 EMA. But for tomorrow's entry, as it has taken a reversal, if the tomorrow's open is above PDH 228.45, okay, that is not favorable. Plan your trade such as at the pullback of this breakout, that is 222. Okay, Indian market stocks always touch its breakout levels at least once. Okay, that is the usual behavior of Indian market stocks. So watch out for this stock and take the trade at the pullback reversal at this level 222. If it opens at the PDH and start going up, then also in the 5 minutes candle you can wait for pullback to 20 EMA or some of the important levels. Okay, there you can take, but my high recommendation is to wait for this 222. Once it may touch, okay, so it may reverse, and reversal pattern also very important. Okay, watch out for the reversal pattern very carefully and take entry with a very tight stop loss. Okay, next is ICIL. ICIL I am giving for sell trade as it is in uptrend, and today it has made a red candle. Why it is important today? Because on 20th October it touched the 50 EMA and the bounce back is weak. Okay, as you can see here, indecision candle and small body candle, they are not crossing this red candle, which was supposed to be a reversal at 50 EMA crossing this red candle, but it didn't happen. Today again it made the same red of this 20th candle and closed below of this 20th October candle. So it is in a falling mood. If it crosses this level 262 tomorrow, then it will fall up to this level 245, and as its ADR is 14 rupees, so 262 and 145 will be appropriate, okay, profit to grab. If it opens within this range and consolidates for some time and breaks out, then it will be high probability breakout. Okay, watch out for this stock. You can plan your trade and grab a good profits also. Okay, thank you guys. That's all for today. Thank you.